If you want to stretch videos in CapCut, whether that means making them wider, taller, or changing the way they fit your frame, this tutorial is going to walk you through it step by step. This is a super useful trick when your clip doesn't quite match the aspect ratio you want, or when you need to make a video fill the screen more naturally for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or any other project. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and load your project. Once your video is on the timeline, click directly on the clip you want to stretch. You'll know it's selected when it gets highlighted. This is important because all of the settings we're about to change only apply to the clip you choose. Now look up to the Properties panel in the top right corner of the interface. This is where CapCut gives you all of your clip controls. Make sure you're on the Video tab, then switch to the Basic subtab if it isn't already selected. A lot of people miss this part, but it matters because the stretch controls are hidden inside the basic video settings. Next, scroll down a little until you find the Position and Size section. This is where CapCut lets you adjust how your video appears inside the frame. If you don't see it right away, just keep scrolling carefully because it's usually a little further down the panel than expected. Here's the key step. Look for the Uniform Scale option and turn it off. By default, CapCut keeps this enabled so your video maintains its original aspect ratio. That means if you resize one direction, the other direction follows automatically. But if your goal is to stretch the video, you need to disable that setting so you can control width and height separately. Once Uniform Scale is turned off, you'll see two new controls appear. The first is Scale Width, and the second is Scale Height. These are the sliders that let you stretch or compress the video exactly how you want. If you want the video to look wider, drag the Scale Width slider to the right. If you want it to look thinner, drag it to the left. If you want to make the video taller, adjust the Scale Height slider upward. And if you want to flatten it, lower the Scale Height setting. You can use these two sliders together to get the exact look you need. A great tip here is to make small adjustments first. Stretching a video too much can make it look unnatural, so move the sliders gradually until it fits your design. This is especially helpful if you're trying to match a specific vertical or horizontal layout without losing too much visual quality. If your video looks slightly off after stretching, you can also go back and adjust its position in the frame so it stays centered. That way, the final result looks clean and intentional, instead of accidentally distorted. And that's really all there is to it. Once you turn off Uniform Scale and use the Scale Width and Scale Height sliders, you can stretch videos in CapCut in just a few seconds. It's a simple trick, but it can completely change how your clip fits inside your edit. If this CapCut tutorial helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.